If you're looking for a great outdoor fence that's easy to put together, you're absolutely going to love this. I just set this up. We have it for our dog. The nice part about this is it comes in individual panels. They're 24 by 33. You get 10 pieces. The nice part about this is you could just swing this out really easy. So what you do here is you'd line that up and then you put one of these stakes through it. So this is what the stake looks like right here. Super easy to do. Took maybe, I don't know, 10-15 minutes just to do this simple configuration. You could just go straight if you wanted to. You could do whatever you want. I'm gonna go grab our dog. One thing to note, you're gonna wanna stake these in. I don't have them hammered right now because we're gonna put this on another spot, but for the purposes of the video, just kind of want to show you guys what it looks like. All right, so we got Buster here. He's now has a nice little pen. He absolutely loves the outdoors. So you can see our yard isn't super fenced. So this gives us an opportunity just to give him a nice little place. I'm definitely probably gonna get more of these panels so we can make it bigger for him or fence it in, but this was super easy to set up. If you're looking for a great outdoor fence for your garden or for a pet, definitely check this out. And a big thank you to the brand for sending us so I could do this review.